Banana pudding protein milkshake. You know you want it, so let's make it. Got that banana cream protein shake. It's become one of my favorites. It's absolutely delicious. For the cream, I'm using vanilla skinny syrup, 2 pumps, little extra banana. So I'm going to use 2 pumps of banana split skinny syrup. If you don't have the banana split skinny syrup, it'll be all right. And also, if you don't have the bananas and cream shake, you could use vanilla and then just use more banana split skinny syrup. I got these high key wafer cookies. They're low sugar, low carb, and they have some protein. And just for a little added flair, let's throw 2 in, shall we? Cup of gas station ice. One of these days, I will upgrade. One of these days. I didn't overfill today. Mixy mix, babes. Woo! Smells divine. Best part, we gotta make this a party. Oh yes, so some Ready Whip on top. Georgina, you already know. One for good measure, always. Now we're really gonna pop off with this party, okay? So I'm gonna put, if I get the bag open, that is, I'm gonna put a crushed up mini wafer on top. We'll do 1 if we need to, we'll add 2, but at least 1. Oh, beautiful. I cannot. I do want to note, you could add frozen bananas to this. I just like to keep it low sugar, so that's why I opted out, but it would be really delicious with some frozen bananas. Taste test, shall we? Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Running me.